Vinyl. It's final. Who said that? I wish it was me. That's a pretty good one. What do you know about vinyl?
Well, I don't know as much as you do, but I think you should talk about it. Why don't you start with telling me, or telling everyone, how do you install a vinyl window?
You know, it's a very good question. We have a little mock wall and window here. This is not everybody's existing window, but it's theoretically what we do, right? We leave the existing frame in for a retrofit vinyl window. That means all the flashing and everything that's underneath your stucco, siding, whatever it might be, stays intact. And then what we do is we measure the smallest daylight opening, left to right, top to bottom, and we have a new window made to fit in and over your existing window vinyl, existing frame, which stops us having to bust out all of your stucco and drywall and reframe and make it a nightmare. Really easy. Once we get the window made, the installation takes about an hour. I'll just show you very quickly. We'll do a dry run here and I'll show you how it works.
Before you do that, what do we have here? This is just a basic vinyl?
This is a style line. This one is a Trinzic, and that one is a Tuscany.
These are all from what manufacturer?
Milgard, windows and doors.
Milgard, yes.
Yep.
Milgard windows. So this is a style line, kind of the basic, right?
This
basic vinyl.
This is the, I don't know if basic is the right term. This is the more contemporary looking.
Okay.
Has unequal sight lines. It has the most amount of glass of the three.
Okay.
It's also the least expensive.
Okay, great. You want to go? Do you need help, by the way?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you need help? I can help you.
No, honey, I've got it. Bend your knees while you're lifting. Okay. Now there are a few more things we do, i.e. caulking the backside, finishing with caulking on the outside, using expandable foam between the old and the new frame, and then flat trimming the inside. But as you can see, you go from old and ugly to brand new, and there's no damage to your home, and it is very quick. It's not traumatic, and oh
very
wow,
easy to open.
Look how much better it looks already.
Very easy. Very nice. I love it.
Yeah.
I love
Can I
it.
close it?
Yes.
Show us how soundproof it is.
Oh, can you hear me?
No.
Oh, well then we better open that. I need you to hear me.
We can hear you now. Okay.
Okay, so now can I paint vinyl? Are you able to paint this?
You can paint vinyl, but it voids the warranty. So why would you? Vinyl comes in many different colors.
Okay. All right.
You might have seen some of the new black ones.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. So this is our white vinyl window here. You can paint it, not a good idea. It will void the warranty. So better to just order it in colors. To
7 different colors. Yep. On the outside, 2 on the inside. We have found over the years that white interior matches way more color schemes than anything else. But the outside of your house could be beige, it could be brown, it could be green, yellow, blue. There are many colors to choose from, and one will probably fit your pattern.
Yeah,
if you want the ability to paint your windows, fiberglass is the better option.
And we don't have a fiberglass window here?
We don't have one here, but we have a bunch over there.
We'll have to talk about that another time, right? Talk about fiberglass another time?
Sounds good.
All right, how long do vinyl windows last? What are we looking at here?
Well, I've been selling them for 31 years. And the ones we sold 31 years ago are still doing their job today.
Yeah.
So how long will they last? A long, long time. I think the jury's out on how long they will last because they've already been lasting way longer than they used to.
And how would you compare, you know what? I think I'm gonna close the window really quickly here. There we go. How about vinyl compared to wood windows?
Do you mind if I take this out so I can let go of it?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Oh, yeah. My arm was getting tired.
Your arm's getting tired?
Yeah.
Let's see, we don't have any wood windows to show, do we?
No.
No, okay, no wood windows. But how does vinyl compare to wood?
Well, it takes away all of the maintenance worries that you get from wood.
Yeah.
Termites don't eat it.
Right.
It doesn't suffer from dry rot.
Right.
It doesn't need to be painted.
Right.
So there's many reasons that this is better than wood. However, if the wood window is what you want, and that's the style that you're looking for, there's nothing wrong with a wood window.
Great.
Other than all the things I just mentioned.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Now, what about, let's see, should we come over to our vinyl door?
Certainly.
Oh, who is it?
It's your husband. Is Maria home?
Hi. Okay, so
Hi.
this is a vinyl door.
Yep, this is a vinyl Tuscany door.
This is a Tuscany door.
Yep.
Right. Very easy. You can see to open and close. Again, you can get this in different colors, right? You don't want to paint this, voids the warranty. Different colors
Same
if
as
you
the
want
windows.
to. Okay.
Did you know that the average California homeowner during the summer uses their sliding glass door 40 times a day?
Really? I
Especially
didn't
on the
know that.
weekend.
I didn't know
Watch
that.
how
yeah.
easily this closes.
Wow.
Does your door do that at the moment? Probably not.
No. Yeah. That's
Beautiful
very nice.
slide, effortless, dual paned, of course. Comes with a new screen.
Hey.
Keep those bugs out.
Now this locks too, right?
It does, but it's not to be used for security.
Yeah. Okay.
It is only screen material, but it
Okay.
will keep the bugs out.
Okay. But this door will lock. Look, watch.
Yep.
Just like that. Try to open it now. No.
can't
but
get in.
So easy. Just a little flick of the handle and it's open.
Yep.
So easy.
It's beautiful. The other thing is you get this beautiful vinyl threshold and track, which is so much easier to keep clean than the old ones.
Yeah.
The old ones
Yeah.
had about 7 or 8 different nooks and crannies, and nobody ever spent the time to clean them. You can wipe this out. And,
Really
You know,
easy.
because you do get a lot of dust and debris that gets into your tracks. Keeping that clean will keep the wheels free and allow it
I
to
love it. Hey. Just make sure
Slide
you're out of the way.
beautifully.
Okay, so how much are we talking about cost-wise? What are we looking at for vinyl? You had mentioned the style line was the least
$1
expensive.
million.
Okay, but really, how much are we talking about here?
The most common size door we run into is about a 6 foot by 6 foot 8 door.
Okay.
You're looking anywhere between $2,000 and $3,500 installed
Okay.
for a door like
For a
this,
door.
depending on what options that you choose, what colors. You know, there are colors that are more expensive than white.
Right.
So
right.
all of those options, whether you have low E glass, whether you do grids. This also comes in a French rail version, which has thicker frames.
Okay.
Yep.
Great. Wonderful. So what size door are we looking at here? What is this about?
6 foot.
It is about a 6. And that is the most common, you're saying?
That's the most common.
Sorry, I wasn't listening.
That's okay. I'm used to it.
I was kind of listening, half
Yeah.
listening.
8 foot's
Okay.
pretty popular as well.
Okay, great. And is this an 8 foot? No, this looks smaller, but this is color, right?
That's fiberglass.
Oh, this is fiberglass. Okay,
That's
but
fiberglass.
this is, okay, well, there you go. So
Yep.
we're talking about vinyl today.
Yep.
So let's stick with some
With
vinyl.
with a keyed lock, which is
Ah.
optional
Okay,
for either door.
for this one as well. All right, so then we have some more vinyl windows over here.
We do.
All right.
Are you coming
'cause-
with us?
Yes. All right. Now, the reason why I wanted you to talk about these ones was because what style window was that you showed with the how to install it?
That was a horizontal slider.
Horizontal. What do we have here now? What are we looking at?
This is a single hung.
Okay. And I think this is a very common option window.
It can be in certain
Okay.
areas. The horizontal slider is the most
Horizontal slider is going to be
commonly
the most
made
common.
window.
Okay.
Yep.
Great. But obviously lots of different styles
Yep.
to choose from. But these are all
Again-
white. Style line,
Trinsic,
Trinsic,
Tuscany.
Tuscany, going up in cost, right? This is going up in cost. Styline's going to be your less expensive. So we're looking at Styline. We talked about doors, how much that was going to cost. About a window, Styline window. What are we talking about? Rough estimate. What do you think?
It's a really difficult question. Any of you take a look at your house and think about how many different size windows you've got in your house. There is no one size window. If I go with a medium size window these days, you're looking at between $600 and $1,000 installed for your average size window. Some could be a little bit less, some could be quite a bit more. We've got 10 foot by 5 foot windows. That's a big window. But yes, not too bad. Let me just show you one more thing
Okay.
over here, Maria.
Okay.
This is
Yes. Here we go.
a Trinsic window
Okay.
in the black
This is a color.
color.
This is great. Yeah.
This one also has
Very
black
cool.
on the inside.
Really, really cool, right? Really cool. I love it.
For
I
all
love
of
it.
you that have the new black and white farmstead
Yeah.
house,
Kind of farm style. Farm style.
farm style, farmstead. I'm a farmer.
Yeah. No, that's really cool.
There you go.
Really cool. And I think we have a couple colors over here as well. Some of these
We do.
windows. Yeah. This looks like, here we go. What is this? A sort of a gray, I guess?
That is a gray.
Yeah, this is very
Yep.
cool. This looks like this is fiberglass, I
That's
think,
another black
right?
door.
Right?
Yep.
Here's another gray that we've got.
Yep.
And I think we've got the almonds color.
The tan.
Yep. tan
The
is
tan.
over this way. Come
Yep.
on, this way. Little tan. It's a little bit dark. I wonder, do we have lights over here? I don't have a light over here. But this one's a tan. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, here we go. Love it. This is a style line, right? Again.
This is a style line casement.
Yep,
Window.
casement. Very cool option. Actually, really nice because you can open. It's got a screen. Got a screen right here, but it's really nice because you can open. You can really allow airflow, right? Really nice. We've got a couple of these in our house.
We do. We do. Remember installing them?
Oh, I do. We installed together. Yes. I'm
That's
amazed
fun.
he survived.
Me too.
Yeah, very cool. Okay, and here's also an almond color one down here. I don't know if you can see that one. Very cool. This is one of those horizontal sliders again. It's a style line. Very nice. Yeah, so I mean, at the end of the day, how does vinyl compare to aluminum?
You know, first of all, in California, aluminum no longer meets Title 24. So the energy code, it's no bueno anymore. Aluminum was great for a long time, but it doesn't have the insulation properties that vinyl does.
Right.
It also, you know, for people that live anywhere near the ocean, will corrode over time.
Yeah,
It really does.
That's going to be tough here then.
Yeah. Vinyl is the most popular window that we sell.
Yeah.
And, you know, there's some people out there that want to put vinyl down. For Southern California, it is a great option because it really withstands the heat and the cold.
Yeah.
And as I said earlier, I've been doing this for 31 years and they've done really well in the time I've been selling them.
And affordable, right?
And affordable.
I mean, so really it's a great solution at the end of the day.
And they come in horizontal slider, single hung, double hung, casement, awning, bay windows, bow windows, garden windows, sliding glass doors, and French doors with or without operable side lights. So
Okay,
that's
so
a
I want you to
huge
say that again, but do it backwards.
horizontal slider. Just kidding. I have to with her.
Okay.
What else
great.
would you like to know?
You know what? I think that's it.
That's it.
I think that's it. But
That's
if
a
you
wrap.
have any other questions, let us know. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.